Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. This is the next installment of a quick tutorial I'm doing to show you how you can implement automatic captioning for your videos. So I'm doing this without the newest feature added to Final Cut Pro, which is the inbuilt captions. I've had this pipeline of my own I thought I'd share with you just in case anyone is not able to or is not upgrading to the latest Final Cut Pro. Here's a way you can still get these automatic captions burnt in. So we have already went through Whisper and how it can take an audio file and get you an SRT subtitle transcribed. And with that SRT file, we can drag and drop it into here and have that standardized caption type provided by Final Cut Pro by default. Now I've also shown you how on my PayHip I have a more stylized caption generator. And if you want to use those, you're going to have to convert these SRT caption files into Final Cut Pro XML that can apply some title formatting to it. So that's what I've done. I've made this SRT Python script that is going to output a Final Cut Pro XML. And all we have to do, in my case, just to make everything easy for demonstration, my captions file is called Captions SRT, and the Python script is in the same folder. Okay, it's only a 4 kilobyte script, so you could keep this in one place, drag it into place when you need to use it, run it, and then delete it, or you can adjust the paths yourself if you want. Now, to do this, this is a Python script, so I've made a separate video just recently about how to install Python on your Mac. Since this is, for Final Cut Pro, it makes sense to stay entirely within a Mac environment. So all we are doing after we have our Python installed, we have our captions ready, is saying Python, which is just saying run this next script in the Python shell or Python interpreter. And in less than a second, we should have a Final Cut Pro XML file, then we will import it. So I did have it in the terminal here, but I figured I'd show you the script itself. Now, there are some things that are just have to be there the way that Final Cut Pro expects them to properly format an FCPXML file, and the rest of it is just going to take from the captions with the timing. And we're assuming a base frame rate of 29.97. That's what I work in most of the time, but there's a few parameters you might want to change depending on how your projects work out, or how your projects typically look. But more or less it's all right here. It's pretty simple. You can have ChatGPT help you interpret it, which I'm sure it would do a perfectly fine job of. So let's here we are. We're inside the default Python interpreter that comes with Mac when you install it, like we did in that one video just earlier. And we can click on run at the top, run module. And look at that, already done. That was literally real time. So let's close it all up. Don't need it, don't need it, don't need it. And can we drag and drop this straight in? No, we got to import. Okay. So we're just going to take a second, import this through import XML. Okay, we hit import on the file. Now I haven't quite figured out all of these. Strangely enough, everything works out fine despite these errors. So I just skip over them. If anyone can help me interpret all this, just let me know. I'm not even sure what it's applying to. So we have a new project here. It's under an event called SRT Captions, and the project is called Converted SRT. So we have a project of matching duration to what we were just in. 3 frames off. Okay, that's fine. I'll take it. And now, because this is on the main storyline here, we can't really bring it into our project easily. What I do is I right click, I go lift from storyline. Now I select the enclosing, Control C, head back over to my project at the playhead at the start, paste it in, and here we are. And timing's all syncing up nicely. Perfect. I like it. That's how easy it can be. I'm probably going to put this script out for, anyone who wants to use it. You could definitely make your own with Final Cut Pro, and then with ChatGPT for Final Cut Pro, or whatever your software may be. You can have it, mine by default chooses this title I've just created for burned in captions. So bring it up the side over there. It's available on my PayHip. I've made a separate video about that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.